I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heim. Throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.
Let's show them what's inside.
When you're not around, when you throw that to the side.
Wow. That's pretty wide diameter, right? I think it's gonna bark pretty loud.
Yes, it is. Yeah, there's not much of anything.
So what's your thought about this, the quality of this Oster Racing?